What is the cost of losing a license appeal? It's rather profound, actually. Beyond the money you've invested, if you hired me, that won't happen, but if you've hired some other lawyer or try to do-it-yourself license appeal, the biggest cost is that you cannot appeal again for a year. So you're sidelined. You won't be driving, and you can't go back to the Secretary of State. There's a financial cost, obviously, because you're going to have to procure rides and bum rides and do whatever else you've been doing to hobble along without a license. The bigger cost, from my point of view as a lawyer, is that we have to fix those things that caused you to lose a license appeal. Think, for example, of trying to do-it-yourself driveway. So you hack out all the old concrete and you try and level the ground yourself, and you get your Quikrete and you pour it all in there and you do your homemade driveway and it doesn't work. Well, you can't call the local cement company and have them come out and just pour another coat on top of it and make everything right again. They're probably going to have to rip it all out, level the ground, and maybe even do more work than you thought was necessary. So there's a big repair job involved in fixing a license appeal that someone else lost. That's probably the primary cost.